how are you? I'm going to be answering some questions about the mini HIFU. Uh, um, so starting out, please subscribe and like the video and share uh, because I'm gonna have a lot of news and a lot of new things coming up, especially with beauty devices. I bought two devices that are about to come in. I bought a little, it's a mini device that you go around your eyes, and it's cavitation. It's cavitation, I think it's called. Yes, it's called to melt the fat, and it's supposed to smooth out the satellites. So it's supposed to melt fat and smooth out the if you have satellites, cottage looking skin, and it's supposed to be firming the skin. But it's a bigger device. It's a bigger device for the body. This one is just for the face, but it says you could use for the body. But look how little it is. And I bought a little one that is just for around the eyes. So anyways, about this mini HIFU, a lot of people are asking me, oh, does have you seen results? What it's like, anything that you do, diets, if you're going to do a diet, if you're going to do a course, if you're going to join the gym, or if you're going to have a baby, it takes 9 months to have a baby. Of course, there's the premature babies that come in, in 7 months, 8 months. But to have a baby, the norm is 9 months. To lose weight, it takes 3 months to lose weight. It takes 3 months to lose weight. To see results in the gym, if you're, you wanna get have those muscle tone body, it takes time. So the manual says that it takes 3 months to see results. So it takes 3 months, even if you do a treatment, if you do a retinol treatment or vitamin C, or even if you do a treatment at a clinic, like a dermatologist or esthetician or whatever, it she'll tell you, look, you have to come in to do 3 sections. You have to come in to do 5 sections. Okay, so it takes time to see results. And so what this little beauty device supposed to do? It's supposed to mold, sculpt, mold and sculpt. Like, see how I have a double chin? It's supposed to mold. It's supposed to firm my skin. Like, it's supposed to firm, stretch it out, firm. If you have a line, like I have a line here, which is starting to disappear, because this, like, I'll tell you why. See, it's supposed to, like, if you have a line like this, it's supposed to smooth it out. If you notice, I'm a little bit swollen and red over here because I put retinol. I've been trying the retinol. I went to a pharmacist and I made it. I told them, I gave him a recipe, and I said I want a pure retinol. So what retinol does, it minimizes the pores. Like, if you have big pores, I don't know if you could see. If you have big pores, it's supposed to minimize. Pores don't close, unfortunately. And retinol helps smooth out the wrinkle. It helps with the collagen. Retinol and vitamin C is the youth secret. So anyways, like, I was going back to this device. Like I said, who's pregnant, who has skin disease, or have if you did a surgery, or if you have a wound or whatever, you can pass this on it. And if you have a certain disease or whatever. I mean, you have to have good health, obvious. And if you're pregnant, you cannot use this. If you have like, uh, if you have like implants in your teeth or whatever, it's not gonna affect. It's just like you're gonna pass. You're gonna feel something. But pregnant, there's some things you cannot do if you have a certain disease that is already slowing you down. You cannot use this device. But most people could use it. Like 90% of people could use it. Like I said, you have to read the manual. I'm not gonna read the whole manual here. But the manual says it takes 90 days, 3 months to see results. So a lot of people are already asking me, oh, have you seen results? I only use this device 2 times. And you only could use it once a week and or every 15 days. You cannot use it every day. And slowly you will see results. I'm gonna show it again. Some people say this, oh, be careful because you're passing around your eyes, you're passing on your neck, and you're gonna damage your thyroid. I read the manual. I mean, I'm doing practically what the manual is saying to do. Of course, you have to be careful because this is a ultrasound, okay? And you have to be, wherever I showed you that I pass around the eyes, or wherever I showed you, I've passed twice and there's no harm done. You're gonna see your limits. Of course, there's the level, and um, you're going to press here. See, it's 1 level, 2, 3, and like I said, you're gonna put it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It beeps 4 times and you move on. I mean, some people just go like that. Some people stay in the same spot. What kind of results I've seen on this? Look, it helped. I have seen that my eyes are not saggy because I have saggy eyes. Unfortunately, I'm those people that the skin is gonna. So it has lifted a little bit, a little bit. It's not a major result. I mean, as you can see, I still have a little bit of double chin. But I did see a result that it has lifted my eyes. It smoothed out a little bit I do a lot of this because my daughter sometimes, she, when he's 3 years old, they're all over the place. So it has bettered my line that I have over here. It has smoothed a little bit. But like I said, it takes 3 months to see results. So I'm gonna do it right now. Like I said, I go like this around the eyes. I do pass it around the eyes. It does say you could pass it around the eyes in the manual. Of course, you're gonna be careful. I don't suggest you pass this around your eyes, but the manual does says that you could. I mean, I bought another device, as you're gonna see, and I have another device for burning fats and smooth out the satellite. Like I said, tune in. You will see other devices. I don't have only this. So this one, I bought it because I wanted to smooth out. I wanted to mold my face. I wanted to take out this double chin, and I wanted to have, a firmer skin. I wanted to smooth out the wrinkles and firm my skin and work out the collagen, and like if I did a treatment on a dermatologist. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna do it like I already showed you guys how to use it. You're gonna use it like this now. turn it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 times, but 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I do it like this. Of course I'm gonna lower the level, and I'm gonna do it down the eyes like this. Then I'm gonna do it like this. Then I'm gonna do it around here. Then I'm gonna do it like this. Okay. Then I'm gonna do it like this. Okay. And around the eyes. Okay, I already have a video that shows how to do it. You know, people even said, "Oh, why didn't you pass it forward?" I don't know how to use the YouTube yet. I don't know how to edit video that well. I'm learning. So I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna do it, and then I'll show you the results of my 3rd time using it. So this is after I used it. I used it around my eyes. Like I said, this is the 3rd time I'm using it, and yes, I'm seeing firmness. I'm seeing that my eyes is going, you know, it's lifting, and the wrinkles are minimizing, and my chin. See, my chin is getting better. I'm starting to see, you know, this slim out. So, like I said, answering the question, am I seeing results? No, it takes time. It takes time. Am I seeing the results that I wanted? I'm seeing like I said, I'm seeing some results. I'm seeing some results. Yes, I'm seeing some results. Like I said, I'm not like those people that are using this devices and is doing Botox, is doing treatment. This is real. This is going to be the real results of this device. Yes, I'm doing. I'm using retinol as you saw at the beginning of the video. I was a little bit swollen, but the retinol is mostly to minimize my pores, and yes, to minimize a little bit of the wrinkles and help the collagen. But this is gonna show the real results, because especially it says that it molds the face. They'll eliminate the double chin, and it, you know, stretch out the skin. It will firm and smooth out and mold and sculpt the face. As you can see, it's already starting to work out. Like I said, I use it like this. Around my eyes, I use it. I lower the level. I'll go like this. Then I go up. So what result am I seeing from this? I'm seeing that it lifted my eyebrow a little bit, if you notice from the beginning. Later on, I will post another video that will show the results of the 3 months that I've been using. I'm gonna show pictures. Okay, I'm gonna show the results little by little. But like I said, yes, I'm seeing some results. Like I said, I only used this 3 times. This is my 3rd time using. I don't have the time. I just got this device. I don't have the time to be using like I should. I think I have this device for like a month now. So and I want to use it for 3 times. I'm supposed to be using it like already 4 times, because you could use it once a week. It's hard, because when you have a child and you're doing the YouTube and you have other things going on, you don't have time to take care of yourself, especially if you have a little, a child that is 3 years old. If you have any child that's under 7 or whatever, I mean, it's hard to have your time. So like I said, I'm seeing some results. So I think this will pass the test of my review. But let's see. You have to wait 3 months to see results. Like I said, you have to wait 3 months. And so far, I'm liking it. So far, I am liking this device. I think I'm gonna see great differences in my face. I'm gonna see the wrinkles smooth out. I'm gonna see that I'm not gonna have this double chin. So far, I'm liking it. Will I see result in 3 months? I don't know, but so far I'm seeing some, you know. So let's wait, and I'm gonna have other devices that I'm gonna test out. I'm gonna test out homemade uh, uh, ingredients. Like some people say that they pass, uh, uh, oatmeal mask. Does that really work? Honey. So I'm gonna test out homemade product. I'm gonna test products in general. I'm test a bunch of devices. So if you subscribe, stay tuned and share. I mean, you're gonna see a lot of things in this channel, and you're gonna see a real person using in it. It's not like I'm, a fake person. I don't have money to do Botox. I don't have money to do those expensive treatment or buy those expensive retinol and vitamin C and those expensive cream and those expensive, go to the dermatologist where they use those professional devices that, in especially Botox. I mean, as soon as you like, inject it, you're already, your face is already marvelous in seconds. But like I said, wait and see for the results. I will be, always posting videos, and we'll see if this baby, will show true results. If it will live up to its promises. Okay. Bye bye.